Hi, sweetie. Oh, David, let her play.
Bust down the door. Kiki's brother, Coco, used to climb the doors, the French doors in my house to get the laser pointer. You can actually climb to the top of it.
Damon just doesn't even see it. He just thinks they're crazy.
It's in the tent. At night when it's easier to see, it's gonna be fun.
I can't believe they're all kind of playing like they look like such a misfit crew. Hi, sweetie. Damon. Oh. Damon, leave her alone. Gosh.